Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing 5 reasons why Victorinox SwissChamp is the best knife to have outdoors. Number 1, Victorinox is an old brand. They've been operating since the late 1800s and they've been supplying Swiss Army with their knives. Number 2, they produce good quality products such as the SwissChamp model that I have in my hands here. Number 3, it's affordable. I think in Dubai the price is around 350 dirhams. Number 4, it has multi-functionality. So in the SwissChamp you have 30 something functionalities in the knife, such as screwdrivers, knives, saws, you have pliers, and other things as well. And number 5, it's non-offensive compared to other types of knives. So if you're having this, no one will be offended. Thank you very much. See you next time.